Right, put the battery in. Put it in. Push the wire in. Clip it underneath. Get the cable for the app. Plug that in. Plug that in. We should be able to just push the Parrot once and then push this and hold for 2 seconds. 1, 2. When that's flashing green, it means it's got a connection. So down. And on the app, find the app, and there it is, just come up. So you can press onto it, and there it is. At the moment it's saying 9.2 kilometers, but I think that's away from where I was. I'm pretty sure as soon as I press take off, that should go to 0. So if we put this on the ground, wind is coming this way. So if I press, yep. It should go up to a set height and then loiter. And that's it. I've got my hands off. That should just keep circling until I'm ready to go. So if I look in the settings, make sure I've got everything normal. 3 meters. Home point after 10 seconds. Videoing. So now all I've got to do is take control. If I just move one joystick, and that's it, I'm in control. coming in for a landing. So we bring her around. Pressing landing now.
Nearly knocked cameraman down.
So where I wanted it, right by us.
Yeah.
So you wouldn't need a big area.